Hello guys, hope you are all having a great time. If you are watching us for the first time, then you are welcome to Free SLP Courses channel, where we try to put you on the fast track to profitability by providing you with top Forex mentorship from top Forex mentors without you having to break the bank. So make sure you subscribe, like, drop a comment, and also share this video. A big thank you to all our returning viewers also. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Lately, you guys have been asking of my Telegram channel, so I've decided to open one, and I've fully packaged the group with a lot of courses for you to enjoy from, ranging from the SMC traders, pure price action, ICT. We have all the advanced courses to help you here. We have videos to help you with engulfing concepts, as you can see them here, a lot of them. We have even for the renounced tech risk, of which we know is very good. We have the full psychedelia 2.0 class of 2025 videos, like everything is here. We have for Zilla also, we have his courses available. We have Malaysian support and resistance, the famous killer strategy. We have for Fortman, we have a lot of mentors, Sabigel, name it, Tony Ike. As you can see, we have for Lingard also, like everything is here. We have for Vix Mayor, ICT Queen. We have the Akindamola, also Forex eye trading. Like, we have a lot of courses here, a lot of them to help you. Chooks, you just name it. So what we do is you pay. This group is not free. It costs $8 to join, or 12,000 naira if you are paying via naira bank transfer. So if you're interested in joining this paid group, you can use the link on my bio or on the video description, or I might put it on the pinned comment. So anywhere you can find it, it's available. So you use the link, you join our Telegram discussion group, and then you send me a message from there to get added to the group. So fee is one time. There's no renewal fee. Once you pay, you've paid. So we do update our videos. For example, let's say a new mentorship is done, so we try and get the new videos, we update it to the group, so you get a lifetime access to these courses. Come on guys, look at it. Like, what more do you need? You have Kojo, you have Kene courses, we have DAX, we have Vix Mayor, everything guys. So do well to join, don't forget to like this video like I said earlier on, and then I'll see you guys around. Thank you.